good news. The water was just about right there, and it's down here now. Yeah. The water is receding. And maybe slowing down a little bit, but it's my dock. These waves and stop. Tripped over a piece of driftwood. Some lumber everywhere. Oh my gosh. Turned off the power, so I should have a live wire down here. Normally this would be 6 inches below the seawall. New beachfront property here. Beachfront property for sale. Oh my gosh. Hang on, boat. Please hang on. We used to have a fixed dock. Now we have a floating dock. Wow. Hold on there, boat. Hold on, boat. And the pool deck is destroyed. You scared me. Holy cow. Wonder we're about mowing the grass tomorrow. There ain't no grass to mow. No grass to mow. Wow. Oh, we just get this wind to slow down now. Captain K checking in. I think we're on the downside of ETA. We're going to possibly make it with the boat intact. Wow. Wow. Want to mow the grass tomorrow, just pick it all up. Oh my God. Get out of this water. A little uncomfortable being in the water with electricity. I mean, got all mine turned off. I don't know about the neighbors. Woo! Update Captain K. Well, the water is receding though. Good news. Great news. Great news. Flooded. Wow. All right, folks. It's getting better. It's getting better.